Welcome to this video on how smart electricity meters work. We will explore the transition from traditional analog systems to the advanced technology powering our modern digital grids. Smart meters serve as intelligent endpoints within an advanced metering infrastructure, or AMI. They facilitate two-way communication, connecting the consumer and the utility provider in real time. Compared to analog meters that require manual visits, smart meters offer automatic data transmission, real-time insights into usage, immediate outage reporting, and remote service management. The measurement process begins with sensing, where specialized sensors sample voltage and current. Then, an energy metering IC calculates active power to determine total kilowatt-hour consumption. Once calculated, a microcontroller logs this data into non-volatile memory, ensuring it survives power outages. Built-in modules then transmit this information to the utility via cellular, RF mesh, or PLC. Smart meters also include a high-current motorized disconnect switch. This allows utilities to remotely manage service connections and prepaid accounts without needing to dispatch a field technician. This switch operates through a solenoid. When current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that moves a plunger to physically break the main electrical circuit. For consumers, this technology provides accurate billing, real-time monitoring through apps, time-of-use savings by shifting usage, and seamless integration with smart home automation systems. Utilities benefit from improved grid management, rapid outage detection using, last gasp signals, lower operational costs through automation, and better protection against theft via internal sensors. Smart meters are essential for managing renewable energy. They support two-way net metering, allowing homes with solar or wind power to send excess energy back to the grid. Despite these benefits, challenges remain. These include privacy concerns due to granular data, cybersecurity vulnerabilities for internet-connected devices, and potential connectivity issues in certain environments. Other concerns include high upfront costs for utility upgrades, public debate regarding health and safety, and risks related to dynamic pricing or the remote disconnection of services. In summary, smart meters transform passive consumers into active participants in the grid. With data flowing up and efficiency flowing down, they are central to a modern energy landscape.